Hello and welcome to another video. Today we're going to be learning how to activate your new Clover Flex package. So once you open the box, we have another video in the channel where you can see how everything looks once you open your new Clover packet. But once you turn it on, you're going to have the option to select the language. In this case, if you want to select the Spanish, French, and in this case, I'm going to select English, press next. And at this point, you'll be doing some of the setup. Here, I'm going to be connecting to the Wi-Fi. So once you're connected to Wi-Fi, it's going to say connected. And for anybody that does not have internet connection at their location, or maybe, maybe you're a business on the go and you would like to use a SIM card. So that's an option that we have with any of the Clover systems. We can make the system self-sufficient and we can set up a SIM card inside of it. So once your machine is turned on, the system is going to automatically send you an email like this that is going to have the activation code along with the serial number for the device. They should match what you see on your device. And when you're ready to set it up, just go ahead and put that number that you received via email. Once you put that activation code, the system is going to go ahead and install your apps and all of your settings for your account so that you get deposits on time. If you would like to watch more videos like this, please subscribe to the channel and like this video. Thank you.